Hey there, my name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. My team and I run a company called the Fit Father Project, and I want to share a little bit about our experience working with the Video Power Marketing team and how amazing it's been growing our business, especially on YouTube. So we work with several different ad agencies, and we wanted to get serious about YouTube. We knew we needed to look at the experts who are actually specializing in YouTube. So we found VPM, we scheduled a strategy call, and that was around 8 months ago. And since that time, we've grown our channel by over 100,000 subscribers, which is amazing. We have a full new platform for content and engagement and community. And we've also generated over 50,000 new leads to our email list, and that's translated to literally hundreds of thousands of dollars in new program sales for us. So the numbers speak for themselves, but I think what makes VPM different is there's a lot of high performance ad agencies you could go with, but these guys are just amazing, family men, family women. They have a great team. They really care about the people they work with. The calls are amazing, and we're consistently seeing results. And look, those numbers sound impressive, but from day one, things didn't work. They took time and tweaking, and VPM worked with us to make sure our campaigns were getting up and going, and they really, really, really care about their clients' results. So if you're on the fence about working with other ad agencies on YouTube specifically, VPM is your solution. Go check out those guys. We give them a huge endorsement, and then we're going to continue working with them at the future, both at our Fit Father Project and our new company, the Fit Mother Project. So VPM team, thanks for kicking ass with us. Can't wait for more great things into the future with you guys.